Hello, and my name is Gichuki. I'm a consultant by profession, and I work for a large corporation here in Uganda known as National Water and Sewage Corporation. Recently, we were hit by a malicious virus, and it affected all our operations, and it actually destroyed all our backups and our data and even our software. So we contracted Stella, and Stella, that's the name, Stella Repair. We use this tool, Stella Repair, for MSSQL to recover our data. We started off with the 9 GB, 9 GB for our Scala system database, and then we also recovered 94 GB of our main database for the Scala system. So I would really recommend this software to anyone faced with a disaster such as the one we had, and we managed to put back our applications, and now we are running the system. So this is just a confirmation that the Stellar software really works.